Hi, in this video I'm going to explain how to extract data from a spreadsheet style PDF with lots of numbers in columns and rows like this example here to an Excel sheet like this here. So you've got the data in each column as it is in the PDF. It also corrects any like number issues, the OCR issues. So if you've got S03 rather than 503, then it will automatically fix that, and it's same with L's and ones and I's and ones, for example, as well. So there's quite a few little corrections that it's doing to output to this Excel file. So now I'm going to show you how to do it. So I'm going to close that down. What you need is PDF Data Extractor installed. The link is in the description of this video. You can load up this example to start with to have a look at it. If you click on File, Load Setup, in the install folder there's an example spreadsheet setup file. Just double click on that and that will load it up, and that's the setup for processing this file. You can click on Process to process it yourself, click Yes, and then it'll open it up as it should be. So I'm going to start off from scratch as though it's your file rather than this file. Clear all settings. Okay, I can click View PDF at the side here so I can view it so I know what I'm extracting. So first of all, you need to put in your PDF file, the example in the install folder, which I've already got here, and I'm going to click Analyze, and it'll show all the data and positions, the horizontal and vertical positions of each number there. Now to do this, the setup is pretty much the same for each line. You need to left mouse on the first item data, or right mouse on it, output, and I need to select this selection here for multi output. Now I need to put in the horizontal and vertical positions of the data because it's always in a fixed place in the PDF. Now the horizontal just move around very slightly, so I'm going to put 14 to 18. It should get beginning of the number onwards. And vertical, I'm going to leave it as that. And then I'm going to just click Process to see what happens. So as you can see, it's output the number 1. Now the problem with this is it's not going all the way vertically down the page. So I need to reset this. I'm going to output multi. I'm going to do 14 to 18. I'm going to do 0 to 999. So now click on Process. As you can see, you've got your 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers there, but they're all going towards the right. So to correct this, you need to put in a line feed. So I'm going to do output extras. I'm going to do a filter fix first to correct some number issues. And then I'm going to move on to the next one. I need to do a line feed actually at the end. So I'm going to go to the next one, do output, and do the same again. So I'm going to do 47 to 51, 0 to 999. That one's set, and go to the next one. Do the same for this. 79 to 83, 0 to 999 again. So this would get each line. Same selection again. In some cases you won't need to change the horizontal position, you can just leave it as a preset. 145 to 149, but I know it's not quite in line sometimes. And do the same with this one. This is pretty straightforward setup. 0 to 999, that's the vertical from top to bottom of the page. So now I'm going to do numeric only fix. So output extras, fix, output extras, fix, output extra, filter fix, filter fix, filter fix, and I need to add a line feed under that end one. So that's going to be end of each row. So you're going to output extras, line feed, and it puts in plus line feed at the end. Now this is the output order, and I'll show you what happens. Click on process. So as you can see, you pretty much got the columns right, but it got an output order issue. So I need to do output order 2 on that one, and then 3, order 4, order 5, order 6 on that one. So that should be all sort of ready to go. Compress this. So as you can see now, I've got the same as my PDF. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 101, 601, and so on, all the way down, exactly as it is in here, and it's corrected any little issues with the numbers as well. Now that's all finished. You can save the setup. Click on File, Save Setup As. So File, and you can put in other PDFs, drag and drop in, or in batch, prepare list, and then click process, and it processes all the files the same way. And that's it. Give it a try.